The hidden science of crystals. What's really going on beyond the pretty stones? Forget everything you think you know about healing crystals. We're about to uncover a profound secret. These aren't just beautiful stones, they're sophisticated energy conduits. Prepare to discover the hidden frequencies within your crystals that are actually influencing your mood, focus, and even your physical well-being, far beyond what meets the eye. For most people, crystals are aesthetic, a trend, a vibe, maybe a manifestation tool. But what if the truth is far more scientific, quantum, and alive than anyone ever told you? At their core, crystals are frequency-holding structures. In simple physics, every object in existence vibrates, from atoms to planets. This is resonance, the principle that everything including you emits and absorbs frequencies. Crystals, however, have a unique property order. Their atomic lattice structures are geometrically perfect, meaning they hold and maintain stable frequencies that can influence other energy fields, including human biofields. This is why quartz is used in watches, computers, and even satellites, because of its piezoelectric and pyroelectric properties. When pressure or heat is applied, crystals generate measurable electrical charge. That's science, not speculation. Now imagine what happens when your own energetic field, your thoughts, emotions, and brainwaves, interact with those same vibrational structures. In the terahertz spectrum, the subtle frequencies crystals emit align with biological oscillations in the human body. This is where ancient metaphysics meets modern quantum biology. Scientists and energy researchers have long sought to measure the unseen, through tools like Kirlian photography and biofeedback. While mainstream science still debates these findings, emerging data from quantum field theory and biophoton research suggests our bodies emit light, tiny particles of bioluminescence, that communicate with our environment. Each crystal vibrates at a specific, measurable frequency, and when it matches a similar frequency within your body, it creates a state called entrainment. That's resonance. Your field, synchronizing with the crystal's field. Think of it as a tuning fork for your mind and energy system. And while anecdotal experiences vary, the pattern is clear. When we harmonize with coherent frequencies, our biology responds with greater balance and stability. Here's where it gets fascinating. Your intention amplifies these frequencies. Quantum experiments show that observation and conscious focus can alter energy outcomes. So, when you hold a crystal with an intention, healing, focus, or calm, you're essentially directing your brain and energy field to align with that vibration. That's not just spiritual talk. That's neuroplasticity in action. Your brain reconfigures pathways based on repeated energetic and emotional patterns. Crystals become symbolic and energetic anchors for those intentions. You're not outsourcing your power to a stone. You're co-creating a resonant state of mind-body coherence using nature's most stable vibrational structures. The next frontier of science, bioresonance, quantum entanglement, and frequency therapy, is already revealing that energy and consciousness are deeply intertwined. Soon we'll see technologies that read, store, and even transmit healing frequencies the same way crystals do, bridging spirituality and physics. So, the next time you hold a crystal, remember you're holding a piece of the universe's original frequency code, a natural transmitter between the seen and unseen. If this opened your mind, share your favorite crystal and what energy you feel it holds. Let's explore this together, because the more we understand the science of subtle energy, the more empowered we become as conscious creators.